Roxy. Yep, up. What are you doing? I haven't dropped anything. You're not going to get anything.
It's funny, I love to hear her run from one room to the other.
Roxy! Roxy!
Roxy?
I don't know what she's getting at. You sound like a little stampede.
Yeah, I know. Are you interested in any of this kittens?
Probably not, to be honest. Roxy. Roxy. What are you getting into over there? Hmm? What are you getting into? Look at that face. Look at that face.